tonight we're celebrating the achievements of the Somalians who live in the UK, whether it's students, whether it's business, whether it's television.
It's the annual celebration which will bring people together who will be successful.
It's a platform where we all come together to celebrate our achievement as a Somali community and also recognize those individuals who made a great contribution.
Everybody's happy. We were actually celebrating the achievement of the Somali people.
I'm proud of what you're doing, delighted to be here and to assist in giving out the awards tonight. Mahad Salid.
It's a great thing what we're doing in terms of supporting young kids and giving them awards. It's important that you support kids in terms of morally. You support them as well as other things, and
Please, the future is bright, but make sure you actually grasp it. And thank you very much.
This is a fantastic evening where those individuals who have done well within the community are coming forward and are being awarded and for their success.
We are therefore delighted tonight to honour Suad Ibrahim as Ealing Council's Foster Carer of the Year. Congratulations, Suad.
As a mother, I started university, and when I completed, I said, you know what, then I have to help my group.
I'm proud of a lot of Somalis who have achieved beyond their expectation on a lot of fields. To actually see the kids coming up achieving, GCSEs, A+.
Thank you for this award. I want to thank my family, especially my mum and dad.
If kids has a potential, then it doesn't just have to be in sports, it could be other things, and it's great to know that we recognise their talent, and that's important, and I hope you keep doing what you're doing, and I hope you have a great night.
I think the organisation was great. There's a lot of role models.
We're having a great night here and everyone's enjoying themselves.
You can't be a member of parliament, you can't be a minister, you can't be a prime minister.
Never let no one tell you what you can't do just because they can't do it for themselves. Nothing is impossible.
I won this award because I worked hard for it, and I wanted to inspire my fellow Somalis in the community that they can work hard and they can achieve it as well if they try. I believe it's important to celebrate because it motivates the people out there.
Just recognising all the positivity that the Somali community have done, and just basically getting rid of all the negativity in the media right now and just highlighting all the good things that we do.
mar walba runtii anaga muhiimadeedu waxa weeyaan ummaddaanu ka ganacsano dhexdeeda Soomaaliyeed oo ah ummadayadii inaan wax ku celino taa way muhiimadeedu
waa ku faraxsanahay awardka maanta la siiyay oo ku saabsan shirkadda online money transfer
sababahan uu soo samaysgarana waxa weeye in la fahmo aan contribution-ka ay sameeyeen Somali community oo ku nool London ama United Kingdom.
I as a mayor of Ealing would like to thank all of you for making the wonderful contribution.
As a parent, you always want your kids to be following a good education, good path, deter from, going or ending up actually around crowds or, being radicalized. So I think it's very important that we as a parent, guide our children to the right path.
But I will support the young people on behalf of Dahabshil and on behalf of our community to go ahead and achieve their potentiality and celebrate for their achievements.
We must contribute, we must come forward, we must integrate. It's for the benefit of our community and it's for the benefit for the wider society. And the community is working hard to make sure that young Somali, especially men, are safe from hands of terrorism and extremism.
And they can achieve anything they want in life. They need to work hard for that. So it has been a fantastic event, and I hope it will continue many years to come.